Imagine you are fed up with your messy kitchen. Every time you cook, it feels like a battle against clutter. This video dives into some creative solutions to transform your kitchen into a modern masterpiece of organization. First, we meet the AmpQuartz kitchen island. This isn't your average island. It has a built-in drawer organizer that can be customized to fit all your utensils perfectly. No more rummaging through a tangled mess. Plus, another drawer hides away your delicate glasses, keeping them safe from accidental bumps. AmpQuartz doesn't stop there. They've got a whole suite of solutions for those everyday kitchen struggles. Tired of fighting with stiff cabinet doors? Their cabinets open with just a gentle push. Need a place to hide that unsightly TV? They've got a hidden compartment for that too. And the best part? Their sliding door cupboards glide smoothly and effortlessly, making grabbing ingredients a breeze. Hafele steps up next with their space-saving storage solutions. Their pull-out pantry is like a mini fridge on steroids. It stores a ton of groceries on sturdy shelves. Plus, there's a clever carousel corner storage unit that lets you reach everything in the bag. No more forgotten food languishing in the shadows. Speaking of forgotten food, the video highlights some stylish storage options for your fruits and veggies. There's a classic wire basket that allows for ventilation, or a charming wicker basket that adds a touch of rustic flair. But wait, there's more. This shows off some other brilliant storage ideas, like undersink drawers to keep cleaning supplies out of sight, pull-up base units to organize spices and bottles, and even handy cutlery trays. Maybe you are more of a traditionalist. No worries, this video has you covered too. They showcase a beautiful kitchen with marble shelves and functional features like vertical drawers for your utensils and a sprayer faucet for easy cleaning. There's even a hidden drawer with compartments for your pet's food bowls, a thoughtful touch for any pet owner. Now, let's say you are living in a tiny apartment. Space is a precious commodity. The video comes to the rescue with a compact kitchen that has everything you need in a small footprint. A sliding table creates extra space when needed, while a built-in sink and stovetop keep things streamlined. Deep drawers with compartments help you maximize storage. But what if you really have zero space to spare? The video introduces a mind-blowing circular kitchen. Everything you need in one unit. The sink, stove, and shelves all move around a central axis, making it perfect for the most cramped spaces. For those living in studios or micro apartments, the monoblock kitchen is a game changer. It looks like a simple cupboard, but open it up and you'll find a sink, freezer, trash bin, drying rack, and even utensil cabinets, all tucked away neatly. If you're looking for the ultimate space-saving solution, then check out the Murphy bed with a hidden kitchenette. This ingenious combo folds away into the wall, freeing up precious floor space. Need to cook? Simply unfold the bed and reveal a hidden sink and mini kitchen, perfect for whipping up a quick meal. This video ends with a glimpse into the future of kitchens. The Logica System Kitchen is all about minimalism. Appliances and storage units disappear behind sleek sliding doors, while movable platforms and turnable racks make everything ergonomic and easy to reach. So, there you have it, a range of inspiring ideas to transform your kitchen into a space that is both stylish and functional. Now it's your turn to get creative. What features caught your eye? Share your favorites in the comments below.